How to edit Wix website on phone. Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can edit your Wix website on your mobile device. So let's get into it. Now, to get started, all you have to do is you have to head on over to your App Store, or you can go to your Google Play Store, and you are just going to search for Wix. Now, once you search for Wix, you will find this application and you want to download that. Plus, you also have another application called the Wix Studio application. So, if you search for Wix Studio, you can also find this one over here, which can enable you to create further customizations on your Wix website. So, once you have downloaded both of these applications, you can get started with the Wix Owner website. Now, as you guys can see over here, this is my Wix Owner website dashboard. And you will see you have activity, inboxes, and then you have a management section. Now, in your management section, you can see your website, your mobile apps, and if I go back into my home section, I can actually see my orders, products, point of sale, coupons, marketing contacts, and more. Now, after that, if we take a look, you will see your product will be listed and you can actually manage your product. So this will add or remove products from your website. I can click on add a product, and let's say this product is going to be t-shirt and the price is going to be 200, and I want this to be visible on my online store, and I want to just, that's it. That's all the info I'm providing. So I can add that, and just like that, I can view it on my website. So if we go into the preview section over here, so this is what it's going to look like on our website. You can preview your entire website directly on your mobile device as well. However, keep in mind that in terms of editing your website, there are certain limitations that do apply on mobile devices. So even though you can build your website for the most part, but the extreme customizations that Wix offers on desktop is going to feel a lot less on using a mobile device. Now, moving on to the next section, you have your payments where you can link up payments, and then you have payment links, invoices, price codes, form activities, media storage, and more. Now, if you want to create anything within your website, you can just click on the add icon over here, and it will give you multiple different options, such as adding a product, payment link, as well as an invoice, actions, price code, coupon, push notification, videos, social posts, campaigns, and more. Now, some people might wonder, what is the purpose of having two applications? Well, this is a more broad application. However, if we go into the Wix Studio application, so I'm going to continue with my account on the Wix Studio application, and I'll just log into the same account over here. Now, once you go into the Wix Studio application, you have a news center in your home page. And then you can go into the Discover section to see how other people are using Wix. Then you have your own site section, and then you have your account section. Now, if you go into your site section, you will see some basic analytics, and then from there, you can choose to manage, go into the site nav, inbox, or dashboard. So you can click on manage over here, and you can manage your overall site performance. So you can go into the order section to see any orders you might have, your product, and more. And you can simply click on dashboard over here to get a summary of everything. So it functions more so as a more broad app as compared to the Wix Owner app. Now, some people might say, hey, can I open up Wix over here on my browser? Well, although you can try, it's not recommended, and you can't actually do that either. So, if you are looking to build your website fully on Wix, you can do that as well. You can go into your Wix Studio Editor or your Wix website editor and just go into the My Site section, click on Create New, and from here I can even build a new website. So, let's build a portfolio like this, and I'm just going to choose a portfolio type and then click on next, and then I'll just give myself a fake name, Amy Sladen, and then I want this to be a blog, or I don't want this to be a blog. Let's say I'll keep it as a blog or anything you might want, and it's going to automatically create or provide you with the relevant templates that you can use directly on your phone. So this can be another great way for you to be able to build your website without having to build and edit your website, without having to go through your laptop. This makes your website super accessible and easy, and it is super efficient on mobile devices. So if your target audiences are primarily going to be using mobile devices, so if you're pushing your website on TikTok or Instagram, then your target audience is going to open up your website on a mobile device, and you need to make sure that it is optimized to that. So from here, you're going to click on Continue to Editor to begin editing your website. So let's wait for our template to load up, and this is our simple little template. Now within this, you can click on Manage Sections, and let's say I want to remove the Instagram section, so I can delete that, and I will click on Done. Now it's going to update my site over here. Now my site has been updated. It just has some basic information. So to begin editing any of the information, I can click on Manage Sections, click on the section, and then I can replace the image. I can take a photo, choose from my library. Let's say I want to use this one, and I'll just click on Done. Then I want to remove the title of locally owned, and I want to add another button. Let's say I can link to another, page or something like that, but I'm going to remove all this information. Well, let's say I want to edit it. So this is going to be about us. So I'll just click on over here, select all, and provide my own description instead. Hey, it's Jamie here and ready to design, blah, 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 whatever you might want to write in your portfolio website like this. And then once you do that, click on Done, and then click on Done once more. And just like that, it is going to update our section. Now, if you want to add another section within your website, simply click on Manage Sections over here, click on the plus icon, and you can choose the type of section you want. So let's say I want this to be a video player section, so I can just click on that and then click on Done. And this will add a video player section. Now, you can also move the spaces or, move the positioning of different sections. So if I go into the video player one, I can move the feature one down below like so. I can move the video player up if I want this to be the first section as you enter my website. So I will move that over here, and it's going to update our website. Now, sometimes if you're making heavier edits, it might take slightly longer, so you do have to keep that in mind. But we have our new section added, so I'm going to click on Manage Section, going to the video player, and we can showcase our videos from our desktop devices as well. Now, after that, this is just one little page or one little website that we are designing. We can design a lot more using Wix as well. So we have this particular website ready that we just created right now, and we can go into our site over here, and if we want to further edit it, we can click on Edit Site on this. Now, if you can't find the Edit Site button, so let's say I want to go back into editing our original retail store website, I can just open up that website's dashboard from here, and then just click on the top right, and you're going to click on those three dots, and you can click on Edit Site. Now, if a site has been built specifically for desktop devices, then you're not going to be able to access it directly from your phone, so keep that in mind if you haven't built a phone version for your websites. Now, once we have completed our website design on our phone, we can go ahead and, make the final touches, like setting up any final touches, and then just click on Publish. We can go into Edit Site and then click on Publish on the top right over here to publish your Wix site that you just created on your phone. So I hope you guys found this video helpful. If you did, make sure to leave a like and subscribe.